Hi, this is Rob, and today I'm going to be doing a gun review on 3 possible concealed carry options. Due to their size and capacities, these are some of the most popular conceal and carry weapons out right now. First, we have the Kahr. It is the cm9. It is the smallest of the 3 in every way except for width. I believe the width is the same as the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield. The Kahr comes with 1 magazine. It holds 6 rounds and you can hold 1 in the chamber, so it has a 6+1 capacity. There is no manual safety. It has a long, smooth trigger pull, which acts as the safety, I guess is what Kahr's going with. The M&P Shield comes with a 7-round magazine and an extended 8-round magazine, and you can also hold 1 in the chamber, so you have a possible 7+1 or 8+1 capacity. It is roughly the same width as the Kahr. However, it does have a longer slide and a longer handle, and the trigger pull is much different. And then we have the Glock 26, which is the all-around biggest gun of the 3. I have the Pierce +2 extensions, so the magazines hold 12 plus 1 in the chamber, with a total of 13+1. It is a striker fire. There is also no manual safety. There's just the standard Glock trigger safety. Just wanted to show you these guns. I am going to remove the slides so you can get a little bit of viewing of how the slides are. Before I do that, I'm going to line them up. On this line here, and we will keep the slides straight. And you can see that the shield is longer than the Kahr. It also has a thicker and longer grip. The trigger is raised, the trigger guard is higher than what the Kahr's is, and as you can see, the barrel is a little longer. As far as thickness, they are roughly the same in grip thickness. If I add the Glock 26, you can see it's much thicker than both the Kahr and the Shield. Make sure these backs are straight there. And it is a little bit longer than the Shield. So now, I'm going to remove the magazines. The magazine eject on the shield is really nice. And now I'm going to remove the slides. I have only taken this car apart one other time. I'm not sure whether the trigger needs to be fired or not.